Sahana Bhav to my tribe. So here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Scorpio. Scorpio 2025 Feb. Wow, a lot of change coming in your life, Scorpios. I feel travel is also on cards in Feb. Somewhere the places you have felt that you were not valued, or you had an emotional connect, you are leaving those places. Other people who are wanting to travel for business, who are wanting to travel for studies, it's all on their mind right now and they are planning to travel. Okay, in your business, I feel, in your workspace, business or job, whatever you are right now holding your fist very tight, because in the past probably you had done a lot of giving. Okay, lot of giving you had done in your business. You were very open and you used to, like, help people, but now you have closed your fist very tight and you are not ready to give people very easily. So let's see what we have in your Feb. But before you go ahead, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Do not watch my video without subscribing, because that's the only energy exchange you can give me. Okay, thank you. All right, so yeah, first week is all about a lot of options coming your way. Many people are going to approach you for a lot of things. Okay, now this is going to be for traveling for work, I feel, for property, or some kind of overseas clients if you have. Okay, a lot of friends also are going to approach you. Yes, there is a lot of growth, lot of options of growing, right? Second week will come with a lot of money stability for sure. Money stability for sure. There is money in hand, which the time you went through in Jan was really horrible, but in Feb, money is definitely coming, stability is definitely coming, so much that at least you can save some and hold on to. Okay, third week is all about, probably you're feeling very closed when it comes to certain people in your life. I feel that somebody is going to approach you from the past, whom uh, probably you were blamed for something and you were not appreciated whatever you did. Okay, so in the third week, somebody is going to approach you, probably it will be a person you know, where people had played games and those secrets are all going to come out and the universe is going to be fair to you. So it will happen through a mail, remember that. The other thing I will say for Scorpios is, I feel you will also come into discipline in life. Like, you will try to create a spiritual or a daily discipline in your life in the third week. Fourth week is coming into your fears. You're feeling stuck. Why, Scorpio? Well, you're very angry at people. People have said things and you're really looking in the wrong direction. You're feeling very irritated and sad. You have so many things on your mind, so many options. There will be some lady who will come and approach you for work, business, whatever, yeah, in that area. Yes, some new thing is coming your way in the fourth week, but at the same time, you're feeling stuck. Probably you didn't want to be in this space. Okay, mentally you were not prepared to be in this space, but you have to be because of the circumstances that are around you. Right? So this is quite irritating when we don't want to be in that space. Okay, so you have to deal with it somehow, very sensibly and with all your strength, and Scorpios have that. Right? So let's see what we have in your relationship reading. Please comment if you want me to do the relationship reading. Okay, do you like my relationship reading? Please comment in the comment box that you all want it or you all like it. Okay, so let's see what we have in your relationship area. The general energy of Feb for Scorpios. Let me take this card. It fell too many times. Okay. Simply love. Oh, that's such a beautiful card. That's like Ace of Cups. That's like pure, genuine love energy in the month of Feb. Anyways, Feb is a month of love, of Valentine's Day. So probably you're going to feel that. Probably going to feel that towards yourself. Right? So let's see, single people, people in relationship, married or anyway. Okay. So let me start with single. Single people are finding their balance. They're releasing all their past traumatic issues. Lot of releasing is happening, and the releasing is happening probably you might strike a fever or lose motions, or some kind of sometimes even you get rash because you're releasing something, that kind of a thing. That's what I feel. I feel there's a lot of balance. Whatever challenging times you went through in your relationships, it could be any kind of relationship. Now there is time for it to move forward. Okay, up till now everything was stuck, but now things won't be stuck. It'll start moving. Things will start moving. You will, if you are planning to see someone, or there is someone whom you actually care about, that person is going to come to you, or something between both of you is going to get solved. Okay. For people who are in relationship, I think there is such a pure energy. Again, even they are releasing. But what I will feel is, please aura cleanse yourself and your partner. Okay. There are signs from the universe to you. Lot of signs are being showed to you that probably you're reading a book, some answer comes. Probably watching TV, something comes. Probably walking the road, you see something, some sign, some bird, some crystal, some feather, something in a book, something is the universe is giving you signs, because notice things around you. Things are going to happen in such a way that you will get your answers, what you're seeking for. Okay. Aura cleansing is very important in this month. Okay. And yes, your partner is going to rebuild, or you both are going to rebuild your relationship again, which was not very balanced in the past. And this rebuilding of relationship is going to take you to the path of success. Now, this success is not only in relationship, this success is also in your money, in your work, and moving forward in everything. Okay. That's beautiful. I feel that the energy of Feb is full of resolving your emotional issues and coming together with somebody who's so pure and so magical. Right? So let's see what we have in your messages from the universe. Wow. You know the way. Trust your intuition on this journey. So yes, Scorpio, you are very intuitive, okay? And I can see a reindeer here and winter month. So probably you're going through a very cold time in your life where it's windy, it's cold, and there's no love. People have not appreciated you. But now your intuition is going to guide you to achieve all that you want. Everything that you want, your intuition is going to guide you and take you towards that sunny side, that beautiful golden light energy which is going to shine on you, and you are going to be in a very better space. So what I feel is, just trust your intuition. Like I said, the universe is giving you signs. It's pushing you towards a space where you will know everything before it happens, or it's happened 2 days back, you will also know it. And you will be very alert and you will be able to solve things. Right? That's what I feel. That's all for today. See you. And please follow my X, Facebook and Instagram. And press the bell icon and share this video. Goodbye. God bless. Hari Om Tat Sat.